Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to do an example of dealing with the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, so let's say we have this triangle here, and I'm going to pick some numbers and we're going to try to solve this. So the first thing that they do is, let's say A is 60 degrees and B is 8 feet. Okay, so here's A, right? So A is always across from A, C is across from C, and capital B is across from side B. So angle B, side B, angle A, side A, angle C, side C. Okay? So let's say, of course, A is 60, and let's say B is 8 feet. Okay? Well, because I know the relationship, right? So I know B, right? So B is going to be what? Let's get rid of these A, B, and C, and let's just put in what we know about the relationship. B is across from 30, so this is going to be X, right? And then A is across from 60, so we know that's going to be X times the square root of 3. And then, of course, C is going to be, since it's the hypotenuse, 2X. And so now that we've got that set up, now I can plug in. You can give me any one side and I can figure out the rest of the side. So guess what? If X equals 8 feet, then guess what? I know the other two sides. I know that, let's do this. Let's do this A, B, and C. Let's put the A, B, C back, okay? Now, if A equals 8 feet, which is X, right? So A equals X equals 8 feet. Then guess what? B equals X times the square root of 3, which is going to just be 8 times the square root of 3 feet. And then C, which equals 2X, is just going to equal 2 times 8, which equals 16 feet. And we're done. It's that easy. Okay, now, what if I gave A is 60 degrees and C is 24 inches. Okay? Okay, well, let's start over. Okay? Okay, now, let's say, what they say, C? Let's say C is 24 inches, right? C, which we're being told is 24 inches, but that's equal to 2 times X. Which now, what does that tell me? Well, that tells me that X has to equal what? 12 inches. And now I'm done because I can figure out everything else. That means A is 12 inches. And B is what? 12 times the square root of 3 inches. And look at that, I'm done. I can stick this in my calculator and get an approximate answer if I need it, right? But I've got all the answers very quickly and easily. Let's do one more. Let's say, same thing, but A is 32 yards. 32 yards. Let's say A is 32 yards. Hold on a second, let me see here. Oh, hold on a second, I messed up. Oops, I got these mixed up. Hold on. This is supposed to be A, this is supposed to be B. Sorry about that. I got excited when I went to put these back, I put them backwards. So this should be A. So let's go back to the other one. The first one said B was 8 feet, right? So let's go back. So B was 8 feet. Yeah, here. So B was 8 feet. I think that one I did right, but accidentally. So B was 8 feet, right? So B, which equals X, is 8 feet, right? That was the first one, which means A is equal to x times the square root of 3, which then is equal to 8 times the square root of 3. And then c is just 2x, which is then 2 times 8, which was 16 feet. That one I mixed these up, but I still got the right answer, so that was fine. It's the next one that I made a mistake on. So again, just make sure, again, A is across A, B is across from B, and C is across from C, okay? Now, in the second one, they gave us what? They gave us that C was 24 feet. So C equals what? C is equal to 2x, which equals 24 feet. So that was the same, right? We're still going to get the same. So that's still going to give us x is equal to 12 feet, or inches. I think we did inches. It's inches. This is inches. Right, because all we have to do is divide by 2, we get x equals 12 inches. And then, of course, B is then equal to 12 inches, not A. And then here, A is equal to 12 times the square root of 3 inches. So I just got these backwards, okay? Same thing though. And then the last one is they give us A. What if A is what? 32 yards. Okay, so now A equals 32 yards, but A is also equal to x times the square root of 3. And so now I can solve for x, right? So that means x equals 32 divided by the square root of 3, okay? Which means what? B is equal to what? 32 divided by the square root of 3. And then C, which again is 2x, oops, which is 2x, which is then equal to, well, this is x, right? So this is going to be 2 times x, which is 32 over the square root of 3, which then becomes 16 over the square root of 3, and these are yards. Okay? And this is yards. So this, and this. And again, you can put these in your calculator and get the approximate values. Okay? And it's that easy. That's how you do it. Have a great day.